Upon completion of the strategic equity mooring operations at the port of Rosario, the chief officer went down to the dock to read the draft and noticed that a forward spring line was stuck between the fender and the ship's hull. The chief officer called the Bones by radio and gave him the order to release the trapped mooring line. The Bones called 2 sailors, and the 3 of them moved to the bow along the mooring side without noticing the passage of another vessel through the channel. Upon arriving at the forward station, the Bones positioned himself at the winch and another one at the level of hold number 1, where the mooring line was stuck. As they were not in the same line of sight, the 3rd crew member positioned himself in the forecastle, acting as a signal man between them. The seaman, who was positioned at the level of hold number 1, was in the path of the trajectory of the trapped mooring line. The waves of the ship that had just passed seemed to have caused the sudden release of the mooring line, which suddenly released its accumulated energy, hitting the sailor in the head and causing his death. Due to this fatal accident, the Transport Safety Board issued recommendations to include a specific procedure for the release of mooring lines in the vessel's safety management system in order to prevent similar kind of accidents, including avoiding the release of trapped mooring lines during the passage of other vessels, estimating the mooring trajectory in the event of a sudden release, stating the safe positioning areas for the crew members, and other safety aspects related to this task.